Welcome to Khalsa Little Flower School Learn from Home program.
Today, we will start with our new topic of grammar, prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows its relation to the another word in a sentence. Preposition क्या है? एक word है जो word के अंदर जो दूसरे जो word होता है उसके साथ उसका relation हमें बताता है. We use a preposition before a noun or a pronoun. As pre means before and position means place. तो हम preposition का use कहाँ पे करते हैं? Before a noun or a pronoun. But sometimes the preposition came after it. पर कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि वो after भी use होता है. For example, the book is on the table. There are birds in the sky. The horse jumped over the hurdle. I will go to the market at 6 p.m. Now, in the first sentences, the word on tells the relationship between the book and the table. In the same way, in sentence 2, the word in tells the relationship between the birds and sky. And in sentence 3, the word over tells the relationship between the horse and the hurdle. I will go to the market at 6 p.m. In the fourth sentences, the word at tells the relationship between the market and the time. तो on, in, ये सारे over, at, ये सब क्या है? ये सारे जो words है उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Prepositions. Now move to the uses of prepositions. First of all, in. In is used for a period of time. In is used for large places. For example, I do yoga in the morning. तो यहाँ पे in का यूज किस लिए किया हमने? टाइम बताने के लिए. My brother lives in the United States of America. अब United States of America is a large place. तो हमने वहाँ पे कौन सा preposition यूज किया? In. Now at. At is used for a point of time. At is used for the small places. For example, Daddy left for the airport at 4 p.m. यहाँ पे हम टाइम को क्या कर रहे हैं? पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं. अंकित met me at Meerut in उत्तर प्रदेश. उत्तर प्रदेश इज अ लार्जर प्लेस एंड मेरठ इज अ स्मॉलर प्लेस. तो हमने यहाँ पे एट का यूज किसके लिए किया? स्मॉल प्लेसेस के लिए. नाउ ऑन एंड अपॉन. तो ऑन इज यूज इन द स्पीकिंग ऑफ थिंग्स एट रेस्ट and upon is used in speaking of things in a motion. For example, we sit on the desk in the class and the cat sprang upon the chair, right? So now next, with and by. With is used with an instrument and by is used after a verb in the passive voice. Sharpen the pencil with the sharpener. He was rewarded by his principal. For. For is used for denoting a period of time. For example, it has been raining for 2 hours. Beside and besides. देखो इसमें काफी कंफ्यूज होते हैं हम. तो जो beside का मीनिंग होता है that is by the side. But beside means in addition to, मतलब इसके अलावा भी. For example, the bank is beside my home. जो बैंक है वो मेरे घर के नियर है. And besides the storybook, आरती wants us to buy the color pen. मतलब स्टोरी बुक के अलावा आरती क्या बाय करना चाह रही थी? कलर पेन. ओके. नाउ बिटवीन एंड अमॉन्ग. तो बिटवीन इज यूज्ड फॉर टू पर्सन्स और अ थिंग्स. जब हमें दो पर्सन या कोई दो थिंग के अंदर बात कर रहे हैं तो क्या यूज करते हैं हम? बिटवीन. एंड अमॉन्ग इज यूज्ड मोर देन टू पर्सन्स और अ थिंग. For example, divide this apple between Mohan and Sohan. तो यहाँ पे मोहन and सोहन are two persons. And please share these topics among your friends. Right? So यहाँ पे more than two persons are there. तो वहाँ पे हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Among यूज करते हैं. Into and behind. We use into to show the movements. And we use behind to show the opposite position. The raindrops fell into the pond, and there was a small pine behind my house. Right? Now next, from to. We use from and to show the duration of a time. पर्टिकुलर जो ड्यूरेशन को शो करना होता है एट दैट टाइम वी आर यूजिंग फ्रॉम एंड टू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी लिव्ड इन लखनऊ फ्रॉम 2010 to 2014. We waited for them at the shop from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. So now we have learned the how to use the prepositions, right? Now move to the textual exercise of our textbook. So open your grammar textbook.
Open your textbook, chapter number 26, on page number 149. Move to the exercise number 1. Underline the prepositions in the following sentences. हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे prepositions को underline करना है. I want to post this letter to my friend. तो यहाँ पे क्या preposition आया, to. I am going to the beach on Sunday. तो going to the beach and on Sunday. I hear the news on the radio. तो on. The book was written by a famous writer. तो by. Do you want to see a photo of my family? तो do you want to see a photo of my family? तो to. What are you talking about? About. Please wait for me. तो for. We usually have pulses for dinner on Friday. तो for and on. There is a good restaurant at the end of my street. तो at. She gets on the bus at 7 o'clock in the morning. तो on, at, in. The boy is behind the gate. तो the boy is behind the gate. The book is on the table. The man is near the bed. Tuesday comes after Monday. Do not write with pen. The table is made of wool. Exercise number 2. Choose the correct prepositions in the following sentences. My coat is hanging behind the door or under the door. तो क्या होगा, behind the door ही होगा ना. Yes. There is a lamp into the corner of the room or in the corner of the room. In the corner of the room. I sleep behind a bed or on a bed. On a bed. The children are swimming between the sea or in the sea. In the sea. I will meet you at 11 o'clock or out 11 o'clock. At 11 o'clock. On the morning or in the morning. In the morning. The boy kicked the ball through the window or opposite the window. Through the window. Here is our shop. Here is our stop. We have to get over or off my blanket. Off. It's nice and warm. Out my blanket or under my blanket. Under my blanket. Right? So now move to the exercise number 3. Fill in the blanks with the suitable prepositions. Put your books in your bag. Take back your pencil. The dog jumped off the fence. We always play games in the park in the evening. Where is the bank? It is on the left and next to supermarket. The teacher writes the homework on the board. What can you see out of the window? At night, I can see the moonlight dash the curtain from the curtain, right? So you have to complete these 3 exercises in your grammar textbook. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.